Question number 6. You can see the question on the screen. Now again, this is little different question. So listen to it carefully. See, I'll read out the questions. We'll understand one by one the transactions and then we'll do it. Amar draws a bill on Bharat for rupees 15,000. So who is the drawer and who is the drawee here?
Amar is the drawer and Bharat is the drawee.
Amar is the drawer and Bharat is the drawee. Very good. Bharat accepts the bill and returns it to Amar. Now he has given us the transaction as Bharat is accepting the bill. So it is implied meaning that Amar has drawn the, that is also given already, right? Bharat accepts the bill and returns it to Amar. Okay. So the first transaction, the first two sentences mean only one transaction, right? Now see the next transaction. Amar endorses the bill to Chetan. So when Amar is endorsing the bill to Chetan, in whose books will we write this entry? You should answer quickly. In whose books will we write this entry? Amar endorses the bill to Chetan. In the books of? Yes, what happened?
Amar and Chetan.
And Chetan. Both of them will write. See, because Amar is endorsing the bill to Chetan. That means Amar is handing over the bill to Chetan. So Amar is giving, Chetan is receiving. So both of them will write this entry. Bharat will not write this entry, right? See the next transaction. Chetan endorses the bill to Deepak. So who will write this entry now? Chetan endorsing the bill to Deepak.
Chetan and Deepak.
Chetan and Deepak. Amar will also not write. Bharat will also not write. So currently who is having the bill in the hand?
Deepak.
Deepak is having the bill. So remember that the bill started from Amar. Currently it is in the hands of Deepak. Now see the next transaction. Deepak discounts the bill with the bank. So what is Deepak doing? He is going and discounting the bill with the bank. So who will write this entry now? Who will write this entry? Deepak discounting the bill with the bank. I'm waiting for the answer.
Deepak.
Only Deepak will write this entry. Deepak and actually bank should write, but we do not prepare bank account. We only prepare the books of all these personal accounts only, right? So we will leave bank apart. So only Deepak will write this entry. Past journal entries in the books of all parties, assuming that the bill is honored on the due date. So at the end, who is holding the bill?
Banker.
The banker is holding the bill. So if the bill is honored, who will write the journal entry?
Drawee.
Drawee will write and the bank will write. But we are not preparing books of bank, so we will leave bank aside. So only the drawee will write the entry for honoring. Right? Is the question clear? So first, Amar has drawn a bill on Bharat. Bharat accepted the bill, gave it back to Amar. Now, what did Amar do? He gave this bill to Chetan. He endorsed the bill to Chetan. Chetan also had to pay money to someone. So what Chetan did? He endorsed this bill to Deepak. Now Deepak wanted money urgently. So what did Deepak do? He went to the bank and got this bill discounted. Finally, the bill is with the banker. And at the end, this bill is honored. Right? So we need to prepare journal entries in the books of all parties. When he says all parties, he means all personal accounts of the people. We need not prepare bank accounts. So we'll just forget about the bank account. Because there are no other transactions given for bank. So just forget about bank account. So what we'll do for this problem, we will do all the accounts at one go. So quickly draw pro formas for 4 journal entries for the books, journal entries in the books of 4 people. What am I doing? Yes, quickly draw the pro formas. I'll wait for a minute. Even I am drawing the pro formas by then. You'll have to draw 4 pro formas now. So I'm putting the headings first. The first heading is journal entries in the books of Amar. And he is the drawer. The next heading is journal entries in the books of Bharat. And Bharat is the drawee. Okay. The third one is journal entries in the books of Chetan. So who is this Chetan now? What should I write in brackets?
Endorsee.
Yeah, he is the endorsee and he will also become the drawer
Drawer.
because the first one is giving the bill to him. So he will also become a drawer.
And he also becomes a drawee, right, ma'am?
Yeah, he will also become a drawee for the other one. So we'll only write drawer and leave it. And the last one is journal entries in the books of Deepak.
Deepak.
So Deepak also we will call him as endorsee. And if you want, you can write drawer also to remember. Right, so our journal entries are in the books of 4 people. So shall I start or are you still trying the proformas?
Ma'am, just wait. Ma'am.
I need to wait. Okay, I'll wait for 30 seconds. Quickly draw the proformas. We need to complete this problem with entries in all the 4 books. Amar, Bharat, Deepak, Chetan, and then Deepak. 4 of them. Let me know if you're done. Yes, do I start now? Do I start off?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then. So first we'll see one by one the each transaction and we'll then post it into the respective books, right? So first is Amar draws a bill on Bharat. So tell me whose books this will come quickly.
Amar's and Bharat.
And there are no dates given in the question. So we will just write it as serial numbers. So tell me the entry in the books of Amar.
Bills receivable to Bharat account.
Okay. Bills receivable account data to Bharat's account. And the amount is given as 15,000. So I have to write this entry even in the books of Bharat. And tell me the entry in the books of Bharat.
Amar account debited.
Okay. Amar account debited to bills payable account. Very good. These entries you should remember it as it should be by hearted by you all now. By now, when you see bill drawn, you should be immediately be able to write this entry. Okay, first entry we have written. The second case is Bharat accepts the bill and returns it to Amar. That also we have written. It implies the same transaction, right? Drawing a bill and accepting the bill. The next entry is Amar endorses the bill to Chetan. So this entry will be written in the books of
Amar.
Amar
And Chetan.
Chetan.
Chetan, right? So first we'll write in the books of Amar. So tell me in the books of Amar.
Ma'am, Chetan account debited to bills receivable.
Correct. Chetan account debited to bills receivable account. Okay. Will the amount remain the same or will the amount change?
Same amount.
It will remain the same because the same bill is going everywhere. Okay, so I've written in the books of Amar. Now this entry should also come in the books of Chetan. So how will it come in the books of Chetan? What is Chetan receiving?
Bills receivable.
He is receiving the bill. So he will write the entry as?
Bill receivable to Amar.
Correct. Bills receivable account data to Amar because he is receiving it from Amar. And the amount again remains the same. The same bill is going everywhere. So we have written this transaction also. There is no other entry in the books of drawee. Now move forward. Chetan endorses the bill to Deepak. So Chetan also doesn't keep the bill with him. He gives this bill to Deepak. So who will write this entry?
Chetan and Deepak.
Chetan and Deepak. So what will Chetan write?
Deepak's account to bills.
Yes, he is giving the bill to Deepak. So he will write it as Deepak account debtor. Sorry. Deepak account debtor to bills receivable account. Again, amount remains the same. And everyone knows narrations for these, right? They are simple. And now coming to Deepak's book. So what will Deepak write? Is he receiving the bill or is he giving the bill?
Receiving.
He is receiving. So he will write the entry as?
Bills receivable to Chetan.
Chetan.
Correct. Bills receivable account debtor, and he is receiving it from Chetan. So bills receivable account debtor to Chetan's account. Again, our amount is same. So see how many places our bill is traveling. So this entry is also over. Now let us see what happened after that. Deepak discounts the bill with the bank. So Deepak also is not keeping the bill with him. He is getting it discounted with the bank. So who will write this entry? Will Amar write this entry?
No.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Will Bharat write?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Chetan write?
No.
No, ma'am.
So that means only
Deepak.
Deepak will write. So will anyone tell me this entry?
Bank account to discount, bank account debit, discount account debit to bills receivable.
Very good. Bank account debited, discount account debited to bills receivable account. So did you see in the chat and tell me this entry, or are we able to frame?
Frame.
Very good. So how much did he discount it? He discounted it for 14,800. So now you should tell me the amounts. How much should I write for
200.
bank?
14,800.
14,800.
Okay.
200.
200.
Okay. Very
15,000.
good.
15,000.
The last one is 15,000. Done. So we have written this entry also. Now what did happen at the end? Past journal entries in the books of all parties, assuming that the bill is honored. So if bill is honored, who will write the entry now?
Draw it.
Pardon?
Bharat will write.
Bharat will write.
Banquet.
And who will write? Bank will write. But we are not doing the books of bank. So for us, only Bharat will write. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
tell me the entry what Bharat will write. He has honored the bill.
Bills payable to cash.
Should it be bills payable to cash? Or should it be cash to bills receivable? Think and tell me.
Cash to bills payable.
Cash to bills payable.
Cash is receiving cash, no, ma'am.
Is Bharat receiving the cash?
He's receiving bill, ma'am.
He is receiving the bill. And what is he doing? He is paying the cash. So the entry will be?
Bills payable to cash.
Yes. I am asking you all that only to confuse you. So you should be confident of your answer. Bills payable to cash. And the amount, should I take 15,000 or should I take 14,800?
15,000, ma'am.
15,000, because Bharat will have to pay the entire amount. What Deepak did with the bill is his headache. So are we done? We have written 2 entries in the books of Amar, 2 entries in the books of Bharat. We had 2 entries in the books of Chetan. And then we had 2 entries in the books of Deepak also. So we are
Ma'am,
done with the question. Yes, tell me.
can you just like quickly explain, ma'am?
Which one once again?
Yeah.
Okay, so listen carefully, right? There are 4 parties in this question. And he has asked us to pass, if you look at the last line, pass journal entries in the books of all the parties, right? So we are drawing journal entries for Amar, Bharat, Chetan, Deepak, all of them. So what you should do is see each transaction one by one. Check in whose books it will be passed and then write the entry in those books. That is the best method to do bills of exchange. Otherwise, you can do one by one also. But then you will have to read that question 10 times and see which entry should fall in which books. Rather than that, draw the journal entries for all 4 together. One by one, see the transaction, write it in the entries. So see the first entry. Amar draws a bill on Bharat. And Bharat is accepting the bill. So this entry will appear in 2 books. One is Amar and one is Bharat, the drawer and the drawing. So first entry I have written in the books of drawer for drawing the bill. And the first entry is written in the books of drawee for accepting the bill. See the next line? Yeah,
Amar,
yeah.
so Amar is selling Bharat on credit, isn't it?
Yes, Amar is selling goods to Bharat on credit. It is understood that. But he did not give us this transaction, so we are not writing entry for sale.
Okay.
Our problem is starting with drawing of bill. Okay. See the second transaction. Amar endorsed the bill to Chetan. So Amar has drawn a bill. He gave it to Bharat. Bharat signed it and gave him back. Now Amar has to keep the bill with him till the due date. But what did he do? he had to pay some money to Chetan. So what did he do? He gave this bill to Chetan and told him, after 2 months, you collect this amount. So my tension will be over. So this Amar endorsed the bill to Chetan. This transaction is between Amar and Chetan. Bharat is no way related to this transaction. So this entry will be written in the books of Amar and in the books of Chetan. So see how Amar is writing it. He has given the bill to Chetan, so Chetan is debited. The bills receivable is going out from him, so it is credited. Chetan to bills receivable. Now the same entry Chetan has to write. So how is Chetan writing? He is receiving the bill. So bills receivable is debited. Amar is giving, so Amar account is credited. Right? So that entry is also over. Now what did Chetan do? Chetan also did not keep the bill with him. He had to pay some money to Deepak. So Chetan has endorsed that bill to Deepak. So now the transaction is between Chetan and Deepak. No one else is related. So we have to write the entry in the books of Chetan for giving the bill. See, we have written Chetan has given the bill to Deepak. And in the books of Deepak, we had to write the entry for receiving the bill from Chetan. So this is what we have written. Bills receivable to Chetan because Deepak is receiving. Right? Now move forward to the next transaction. After that, what happened? Deepak also did not keep the bill with him. He wanted money urgently, so he went to the bank and got his bill discounted. Now Deepak has got the bill discounted, so no one else is related to this. Only it is between Deepak and bank. We are not preparing the bank account, so we forget about the bank. So for us, only it is related to Deepak. So we have to write the entry in the books of Deepak only. So we have written the entry. He went to bank and got the bill discounted. So he is receiving cash, that is bank account is debited because he is receiving from bank. Discount account is debited because this discount is an expenditure for him. And 2 bills receivable because he is handing over the bill to the banker. So we wrote that entry. Now finally the bill is in the hands of the bank and the bank has to collect the proceeds from Bharat on the due date. So see the last entry, he says that the bill is honored. So if this bill is honored, it means Bharat is paying the amount and the bank is receiving the amount. So only these two people will write this entry, Bharat and bank. We are not doing bank accounts, so forget about bank. Only in the books of Bharat, we have written the entry for paying the bill. So Bharat will get back the bill and he will pay cash. So like that, the account is settled. So are we done? Is it clear now?
So there is no need for writing journal entry there with the bank for
No,
Bharat.
bank we are not writing because we are not preparing the book of bank record. He always asking us to prepare only these personal accounts of these people. Okay. Anyone else has